Hi, this is Phil Haynes, I'm here with Leisure Outlet. I just want to explain a few of my favourite little gadgets. JetBoil, cracking bit of kit, and the ENO Hammocks. Ideal for lazy summer days. So the JetBoil, just to explain, it gives you the ability to boil water in about 2 minutes. So what I'm going to do is just set this going, make myself a nice cup of tea, and then put the hammock up while the water's boiling. So it's all included in the pack. You've got nice stable legs there. What you need to do is just twist the gas on once you've taken the key out. The gas simply screws on. So you've got your base, your heater, and then, as I said, it's all self-contained. You've got a little measuring jug that comes complete with it as well. That top element just screws on there, keep it nice and safe, health and safety at work, as it were. And then what we can do then is just put some water in here, ready to boil. And then it's simply a case of turning on the gas and pressing the ignition. So that's the gas that started there. So that is the water boiling. So while that's boiling, what you'll actually find is the element here will go orange once the water's boiled. So what I'll do in the meantime is the ENO Hammock. Again, lazy summer days, what you need to do is find yourself a couple of trees, feed this round the tree, about shoulder height is ideal. Feed through the eyelet. If I go around this tree a couple of times just to make sure that we've got enough tension on there, I'm just going to do it once more around here. So that's your one tree. I can already see the water steaming there. And I've got my secondary tree here. And again, so what I'm going to do is just feed this round the tree here, again at shoulder height. So that taping just goes through the eyelet, and then what you've actually got here is you've got lots of different eyelets, so you've got the right height. So that's your suspension sorted, and again, that you can see that's just starting to go orange there. And in actual fact, the water is going to boil before I've got. That's how quick the JetBoil is. So what I'll do is turn that off. I will just finish putting the hammock up. And these ENO hammocks are tremendous, exceptionally lightweight. It falls into its own little carry bag. It comes with the carabiners attached. So the idea is you clip that through there on one side, take the other side across, clip that through on the other side. That's your hammock all sorted. Your water is boiled, as you can see by this orange indicator there, all very clever. And then you've got your nice cup of tea, and then you can just have a nice relax on a lovely summer's day.